The small Adams clasp features an inner convergence of 10 degrees and an inner width of 0.65 millimeters. The small Adams clasp has been successfully applied in clinical dentistry and has gained widespread recognition. Automatically detects and adapts to the current wire diameter. Supports switch multiple wire sizes 0.7 mm, 0.8 mm, 0.9 mm, etc. No hardware adjustments. Bending one piece almost 1 minute. Combining efficiency and precision. Seamlessly control device start and pause via the software interface. The system features a built-in case library. The AI generates 3D wire, support precise manual adjustments. 1-year warranty service. After-sales support centers in Dallas, USA, and Frankfurt, Germany, Shanghai, China, ensuring timely assistance for you. Scan the QR code to inquire and learn more about the device.